Hello viewers, hello boys and girls. My name is Ms. D and I am from LSE Sci-Fi Library and Harris County Public Libraries. Welcome to another episode of Recipes from India for Kids. And today what we'll be making? We are making Rajma or red kidney beans. Let us see what we need for that. We would need red kidney beans, 1 can, and we would need salt, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, small size, some cilantro for garnish that we would be using in the end, turmeric, coriander seed powder. This time we are using a different ingredient, that is garlic powder, chili powder, cumin powder, and the other new ingredient today we will be using is a bay leaf. We'll be using just 2 pieces, and a little goes a long way, so we will be using only few of that. And now to getting to the method of how we make this. So before we get going, the adults of the house or the parents, I would always suggest that the first and main ingredient, the key ingredient to making anything with the kids is adult supervision. And always, so as we are waiting for this to heat, the pan is hot, the kids are working with the knife, so we would always have parental or adult supervision, always. Now the pan is hot, and we would start with 2 tablespoons oil, and to this we will add the onion that we have chopped as little as possible, but it is not really needed. You are just trying to get it as fine as the children can manage. We are not trying to make it like super fine or very small. Now this too, because it does get it is crackling so much, you would want to be a little away from it while you are doing this. And we are waiting for the onions to change color, and we will cook it till then. The onions have started changing color, they are turning translucent, and this would also be a time to give the aroma test where you don't smell the raw smell of the onion anymore. And now it is a good time to give it all the flavorings. We start with turmeric, which is just a pinch, and garlic powder, which would be half teaspoon, some chili powder, which would again be just a pinch, and you can adjust it later. We are gonna make the flame go down a little while we do this. And this would be 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, and we would also be putting in 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder. We will stir it all together, and the flame is low right now while we do this. And this too, we are going to stir it and cook it till the raw smell of all the flavorings goes away, and you get that nice aroma of the cooked spices. We kept stirring to get all the beautiful flavors through, and so as the pan doesn't so nothing gets burnt, so we keep stirring it. And now it is a good time to add our tomatoes. Now the tomatoes are also chopped to small pieces, as small as you can get it. There's no particular size that we need for this. We will add this, and now we will cook it down, and it will take some 3 to 5 minutes for the tomatoes to cook down. We had kept the pan covered and cooked down the tomatoes. They are medium soft now, and now we are ready to put in the red kidney beans that we have rinsed from the can. We add those, stir it, and we will, as we are stirring, we will keep the flame in low. And now is the time to add salt. This would be as per taste, and for now I would be using about half teaspoon, just a little over that. Stir it, and to this now we will add the secret ingredient, the bay leaf. So we are going to just add that right on top, and now we will add some water to this, which would be 1 cup that we can start with. We add 1 cup of water and stir it once more. And we will keep it covered and cook it, and we can come back to see it in 5 minutes, and the heat is medium low. We have kept it covered and cooked it for 5 minutes. Now we can take out the bay leaf. Let's take it out because it has given the taste already. We don't need that anymore. All right. Stir everything. And a good way to check if everything is cooked well is to squish it, and where everything is getting squished nice and easy, that is how you would know that it's all done. And now we can turn off the heat. Let us taste how it is. That came out perfect. And you can adjust the salt at this time if you need a little more. And let us serve this. Today we are serving it with, let's see what's in my kitchen. We have brown rice in my kitchen today, so we will be serving it with brown rice. Get some more in there. There we go. Nice. And you garnish it with cilantro, and we are ready to eat. Happy cooking!